Welcome back to a new video, and if you guys have not checked out the last video on this channel, I encourage you to go ahead and check it out. It's a very short one, it's only like 2 minutes long, so it won't take up too much of your time. But yeah, as you can read by the title of this one, I am essentially broke now because I have been hacked of all my Robux and my items, so yeah, I have no money, basically. With that being said, I'm here to announce that I will be taking donations. I'm just kidding, unless you guys want to. I'm also kidding. Anyways, this prompted an idea that I had, in spite of what has happened. I thought of the idea to create a new series on this channel called 0 to 100k Robux. Now I'm going to be honest, 100k Robux is not going to be too difficult to accomplish because I have been doing this for a while. So after I reach that goal, I am probably going to extend the series or just create a new subset and do a road from 100k to 1 mil and so forth. So I hope you guys are excited for a series like that. I know this channel has been due for a lot more entertaining content. So yeah, that's what I aim to do. I aim to put forth my efforts into making content. I'm going to be honest and just transparent because I have not put forth my 100% into the content on this channel, as you guys can probably tell. So yeah, just bear with me. I am open to hearing I'm open to any feedback and constructive criticism. Feel free to leave some down below. Anyways, to kind of add on to everything I've said, this journey and hopefully for the future of this channel, I aim to make it a bit more personal. So for example, if I'm working on a commission or I'm just working on a project, I hope to record the process and even things that I don't fully understand, and also things that I'm learning. I hope to take you guys along with me on the journey of just everything. Yeah, besides that, I don't have much else to say. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. And yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.